operators and giving guarantee certain level of para sa buhay at mamumuhay nila. At least the businesses with regard to our workers will arrive in their respective field of undertaking. Kasi hirap yung mga sakyan. Una natatamahan. Susunod yung negosyo. Which I can afford. I want the business to be strive and survive. This is not about growth anymore. This is about striving and surviving in this crisis. Kung may growth, bonus na yun. There is stability at pagkahanap buhay pa rin ang tao.
Nababasa ko lang sa Facebook yung post libre sakay.
Libre.
City of
We have
Manila.
served 129,000 yesterday with 1,097 participating jeepney drivers and their jeeps.
Ang City of Manila lang ang muna. Eh yung iba susunod na sa iyo.
We're happy to be to share. This cannot be addressed by one city alone. Katulad niya, intercity. O, pag sakay nila doon, may bayad. Pag second trans nila, pasok sa Manila, libre na. But it can happen. That's why when I was being interviewed yesterday, if you want the idea, we'll share it with you. Actually, mas mayaman sila sa atin. Pero tayo nakakagawa. Tapos, in-increase ko yung 3,000 to 3,500 today because of what happened yesterday. At 12 pesos ang in-increase na ng gas. At 20 liters times 12, that's 240 pesos. Ito yung offset natin yan. Kaya 3,500 na. Mas talaki ulit ang neto ng driver.
Nakakatawa. Talagang during crisis, doon lumilitaw lalo yung galing. Kung paano
Pagkagaling din naman yung mga kasama natin.
haharapin ang problema.
Ano lang, siyempre masakit sa katawan. Uya, stress. 2 milyon bibig eh, umaasa sila. And there is about 48,000 businesses still growing in the city of across from household big corporations really looking forward for the city government. What are we going to do? Okay naman. Hawa ng Diyos sila doon. Nakakaraos. Eh, excited nga ako. May event daw kayo.
Itong project na ito, nag-usap na kami ni Krista.
Ayan. O, sa Mayo.
Oo. Walang gasolina kailangan na.
Lakad to. Yes, di Mayo. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda ng design.
Dalisay at Halimuyak. Mayor, ipakilala ko lang ang presidente ng Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines. Si
Welcome to City
Kati.
Government.
Kati.
Pasensya na kayo, madilim dito. We practice what we preach. Eh. Sabi ko, energy saving. Kaya maraming area dito na medyo makulimlim.
Mayor, ang Vice President namin.
Oh, of course.
President Marketing, si Kim. Ang aming executive assistant, si John, at si kami.
Ay, kami.
So,
Sige.
it's a cultural event dati na sa atin.
Yeah.
Ano? Well, Spanish influence ito. But in Manila Hotel, this started in 1979 and became a cultural event in the city of Manila. Talagang dinadayo itong Flores de Mayo. 1979 up to year 2000. After 2000, wala pa ako sa Manila Hotel. Namatay, natigil. They tried to revive it sa MOA. Hindi rin na.
Pero wala kasing karakter eh.
Wala.
Pag sa Manila mo talaga ginawa yan, lalo pat eh, Manila Hotel, tapos you have Intramuros on your background, you have the Rizal Park on your right side.
That's not.
Oh, the grandstand.
So, 2019, na-revive na namin. Eh, kaya lang inabot ng pandemic. Medyo natigil ulit. Ano? So, ang yan, makikita mo dyan sa slide na yan. Yung mga kasuotan, yung presentation, talagang makulay.
So the Fashion Association will participate?
Yeah.
Wow!
Oh.
Ganda yan.
And susunod na slide yan. Yan, of course, it's a Marian devotion. Yun
Of
ang
course. Okay yan.
Nag-aalay.
Okay yan.
Nag-aalay ng bulaklak, no? And talagang part na ng tradition ng Pilipinas yan, lalo sa Luzon. Na-highlight lang talaga nung panahon sa Manila Hotel. And dinadayo. It's a question now of really reviving.
Sige.
And we asked them to, to get also the help of the San Agustin Church because they have very beautiful Mama Mary.
Oy.
Oo.
Sali sila.
Well, kakausapin para kung sakali, is that okay?
Yeah. As we,
Ikaw sasali ng simbahan na.
As we-
Kasi intro mo. Just gonna cross the street.
Ganun.
It's gonna happen in Grandstand.
May 3. Lalabas sa Manila Hotel, sa
likod.
Tigbak, kanan, nasa Independence Drive, Grandstand, South Drive, and Rose Boulevard. Ganun lang kasimple.
One loop.
Doon. Kasi maglakad yung mga sagala, mga matataas ang hills. At saka magsisimula ng mga alas 3 ng hapon para magkabuti ng gabi.
Sali kami.
So, okay. Well,
Hermana ba yun?
hermano mayor at hermana mayor.
I'll do it.
Yung mayor. Oo. Yan.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yan.
Please to give
No.
vibrancy and chance for our artists, fashion artists, designers to express their ideas through this form. At the same time, reliving who we are in the past. What is Manila? The uniqueness of the city. These are pamana sa atin eh. Paalala na lang natin sa susunod na henerasyon na this thing continue to exist. So,
Sana naman. At magiging makulay ito. May mga banda, musiko, talagang traditional na Flores, di ba?
magamit mo rin yung
Ang banda natin.
Magamit mo rin. Magamit mo.
And then sa security, kausap na namin ng PNP and si Secretary, si General Broner kung paano madagdagan ng mga ROTC cadets.
Okay. Kailan ako susukatan? Sukat na ako. Hindi, kasi ayoko nung pagawa outside of your concept. Mas maganda nang na-submit myself to your... Kasi para... And I'm pretty sure you have a team. Yan, tema ng...
Dalisay at Halimuyak. Dalisay at Halimuyak. Yun ang tema.
Sige.
At,
Kailan mo kami isusukatan mag-asawa?
can we just coordinate with the...
Yes, me.
Tama-tama, hindi naman ako pabiyahe. Nandito kami ako. Kasi nga, inaabatan mo itong araw-araw na.
So, Manila Hotel, sa halip na tumupi,
Gumagasta, mamumuna.
hindi, talagang ipakita, hindi tayo dapat surrender at wala na tayong gawin. We have to still highlight the best that we can highlight. No? But it's still a fundraising. Ang proceeds pupunta sa young focus.
Okay.
Ito yung kay Catriona Gray. At saka yun sa first 1,000 days of life. Naipaliwanag ko na sa iyo, Mayor, yung
Yeah.
1,000 days.
Okay ako.
So,
I hope we can raise funds.
yeah. Well, despite everything, we're still hopeful that there are those who will participate.
Tingin ko naman. Saka kung magiging year-on-year na ito.
Yes. There, of course, the City of Manila is the main supporter of this.
In fact, in the coming weeks, di ba meron tayong plano sa grandstand sa araw ng Manila?
Meron po.
Ang Manila Hotel sa
Oo.
kasi meron tayo di ba year-on-year activity about araw ng Manila. Don't want to be ahead of ourselves, but I decided and directed them. I wanted to get somebody. Kasi kukwento na lang sa iyo.
Yeah. Well, we are,
Malaking activity to. Like General.
Ayan.
Your milk. Ano na yan, ha?
Yeah.
Escalation na tayo by June. From 21,000 to 62,000. From daycare, we elevate to regular schooling na. Kinder and grade 1. By June. Kasi ito hindi maganda epekto.
But in line with your mail, yun mga first 1,000 days, magpa-pilot testing na kami sa Baseco. But always coordinated with we will just identify siguro mga 100 pregnant just to pilot test how to give the milk together with the National Dairy.
Hindi. Sila rin ang partner ko yan.
Since sila rin ang mag-deliver. Pilot test lang kasi ang pakakainin mo na yung nanay. Yun ang
Habang
nag-milk. Nasa tiyan
Sinabi
dito.
ko.
And then may extra meal din, one meal plus the milk para complete yung 300 calorie requirement for pregnant women. Pagkapanganak, 500 calories na kailangan pagka lactating. So, it's already been coordinated. We will touch base. Pagka nilaunch na namin, siyempre, nandun.
Tako eh.
MHD naman at saka yung first 1,000 days of life. Nationwide yan, but we want, since taga Manila ko,
Saka sa likod lang. Manila Hotel.
dito, ang mission namin, the city of Manila will produce the bright, bold, and strong Filipinos. Kompleto ka na. From first 1,000 days.
Mami, Senador.
Ay,
Susukalan ka kasi.
Magkano tayo, paparada tayo.
Mana.
Sasali tayo doon sa activities ng private sector. Sila ang ponente rito. Manila Hotel.
Mag-Flores de Mayo kayo.
Ayan, pasilin mo yan. Diba, pasilin mo siya lagi. Ang suot niya lagi.
Kasi ngayon talaga.
President ng Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines.
Alam mo yan, number 1 customer ng nung katutubo.
For artificial and locally made. Yeah.
Bakit yan? Chiching ng notification.
Because it's
Ayan, sige.
Ngayon, yung Manila Heritage, tama ito na yan. Manila Heritage Alliance. Private sector. Manunumpa na kami sa iyo. Kailan na natin?
Kailan ba yung target?
Go, April 20 or 30. Manunumpa na lang. Manunumpa kami.
Para sa Manila Heritage
Manila Heritage Alliance.
Alliance.
Na, three main focus lang. Cleanliness, beautification, and peace and order.
Your top 3 also, Mayor.
Kaya ako natutuwa dahil.
No, tutulong. Always in support of the government. So we will mobilize. Para yung galing po nung araw.
Kasi lagi ko sinasabi, Manila is old, but we are unique. We have a lot of story. So the least thing that we can do is maging maliwalas ang panatag ng pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Manila.
So, tama-tama pala yun.
Oo, doon talaga.
Cleanliness, beautification, peace and order. Ano? Ha? Yung halimbawa, yung sa aming paligid.
Yung pecha na lang. Kayo na, dalawa, at least may dalawang pecha na sila. Dito na, dito sa
30 or 30. Para yung mga business leaders na kasali, punta dito, will take a road before you. And that we will lay down concrete programs na bubaba na on the tree.
Dito na lang po.
Okay.
Kasi, yun lang.
pecha. O mami, para isang tirahan na lang, pasukat ka na.
mamaya na.
Hindi, kasi
Nakita niyo lahat.
mami,
Baka gusto pa niyo diet.
Hindi na,
may fitting naman.
Hindi kasi sabi ko, kaysa mapagawa tayo, baka design pa. Doon sa tema. Magandang sila na tumira. Uniform lahat.
Dalisay at
Halimuya.
ang kanilang theme.
Boss, Galing na talaga.
Ay, tumulong.